really momentum that will be continue going on, not likely. Okay, the market will be digesting this news, and afterwards the market will be going back towards a retrenchment phase. So this is one of the major reasons, and also we have been already mentioned that the stock, I mean the cryptocurrency is definitely going higher from the technical perspective, from the fundamental sides, everything, the cryptocurrency has been going higher. Okay, so we can see that the cryptocurrency today has been dropping down. I mean, dropping down from the low from this Monday onwards, and the price has been continue going high and reaching through new high. But you can see that the market is failed to continue going higher. But right now, it's not a really good time to do long. The price will be likely to go retrenchment. So you can see that the price has been reaching through our target area. And once the price has been reaching through our target area, we can see that the market has been reaching through new high and reaching through 75,000, that kind of area. And right now it's rebalancing out. Okay. So where is it going to? Okay. So right now we can see that the market has been reaching through this liquidations. So we'll be using for our time frame and see where's the price is going to. So we are likely to see the price will be retrenchment back to this order block area. So we are likely to see that the price will be reaching back to this order block area, and then after that the price might be continue going higher. But right now, from the short period of time, we are not likely to see some kind of upward momentum right away. So we are expectations that the price will be retrenchment below, going back, and after that will be going higher. As we already mentioned, the price need to rebalance, only that to continue going higher. So we can see that the price has been reaching too high, grabbing liquidations. A lot of people might be continue doing high, but right now it's not the time. The price is reaching through a retrenchment phase. So you can see that from this point onwards, we can see the price has been grabbing liquidations from here, rebalancing out from this area, and the price is facing up or the fair value gap from this area. So we can see that the price has been reaching through, forming fair value gap area, and might be going on the low sides, grabbing a liquidity area as a possibility. Okay, so overall, what we can see right now is that the price is going through a retracement, going back to 72,000, and then after that will be continue going higher. Okay, so this is what we can see from the market situations. So from what I'm expectations, we need to wait for the price to go lower. We need to see the price to go lower, only that to go higher. Okay, so this is what we are expectations, and we are waiting for the price to go on the lower sides. Once the price has been reaching through on the lower sides, we will be doing long and expectations that the price is going high. Right now, the price has been reaching through all-time high, so we will be waiting for a retracement. Going back from the 50-minute time frame, we can see that price has been reaching through, going back, manipulation phase, displacement, rebalancing out on this order block. So might be the chance that the price will be going below sides. Okay, so this is what we can see from the Bitcoin perspective. Okay, so don't try to do long right now. Wait for the market, give us a long entry, only that to trade the long positions. Okay, the market has been likely to digesting this news, and we are likely to see the cryptocurrency markets, BTC USD, to go through a retracement phase. Okay, other than that, let's go from the crude oil. So So going back to the crude oil, we already expected that the price is going lower. As we already mentioned, the price has been grabbing these liquidations. Once the price fail to displace, we are likely to go lower and reaching through a new low. Okay, so right now the price has been eventually just go through our area, and the price has been going lower. So overall, my expectations that the crude oil will be going lower and reaching through maybe to the low sides. Okay, maybe we'll be going back to this level. Okay, so we can see that the price has been verified this area, so we can actually try to do short positions and thinking that the crude oil will be going on the lower sides. Okay, so you can try to do shorts on crude oil, and if you wanted to, I think this is might be a really great time. Okay, okay, next, let's talk about Euro USD. Euro USD is one of the currency market has been going the most affected one. So do you know what's the reasons behind of it? Okay, so why is Euro dropping? Okay, do you know that why? Why Euro currency pairings has been dropping? Okay, so one of the main reason is that we'll be increasing tariff taxes on the euro sector. So you might know that increasing tariff taxes on euro sector. Okay, so this is one of the reasons create increasing on the euro sector, and what happened create the taxes on euro. This will be increasing uncertainty. Okay, and what will happen, and this is also one of the reasons that the euro pairings has been dropping. Okay, so the euro pairing has been dropping. So this is one of the reasons why. Okay, so we already know uh, who wants the elections, and this has been increasing the tariff taxes on the euro sector, increasing uncertainty issues, and this has been putting a lot of pressure on the euro pairing. So this is one of the reasons why that the euro pairings has been dropping. Okay, so you can see that today the market has been dropping a lot from the euro sector. You can see it's around 200 pips. It's considered a really big movement comparable to other currency pairings. So you can see that normally euro pairings, euro USD average volatility is about 30 uh, 130 pips or maybe 70 pips, 80 pips, but right today it's dropping to 230 pips. So we are likely to see that the price is continue going lower. Okay, so the next, the most important, okay, the most, and also we are usually talking about is that the dollar index. Dollar index has been going high, as I already mentioned. The price will be going back to this area, and then the price has been continue going higher. So right now we can speculate that the dollar index will be likely to continue going higher and higher. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this area, and we are likely to see that the dollar index is going higher. So this will be greatly affected on the gold market, and you can see that this is our expectations. So do you still remember our expectations? We already mentioned that the dollar index has been dropping on the lower sides. Okay, so where do we talk about? Okay, how do we talk about? So right now we can see that the market has been creating high, dropping on the low, and continue maintaining on this inverse fair value gap. We can see that the price has been reaching through, grabbing this low, grabbing this high. Once the price has been grabbing this high, we can see that price has been going lower, and we are not likely to see the price to break through this level. We are unlikely to see the price to go through this level. So once the price has been going through, we're going back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is the fair value gap, price going through, grabbing this liquidity level, okay? Price has been grabbing this liquidity area and going back, and where is it going to? This liquidations area, okay? So when the price going back to this liquidity area, where is it going? This is actually the 4-hour fair value gap or the block. You can see not reaching through, but you can see that it's almost there. Okay, so you can see that this is actually the order block area, even though that the price didn't reaching through to this area, but we can see that the price has been reaching through this area. Okay, you can see that price has been reaching through and going down and reaching to where? To this area. As we already mentioned, this is the first liquidations. This is the second liquidation. So we can see that the price has been going on the lower sides and it's also fulfilling to this area. Okay, so where do we expect it on? We might expect that the price might be going even much more lower because of the dollar index going strength. So maybe we can expect that the price might be reaching back to this level. Okay, so we can even expect it that the price is going this level. Today is a really important day. Okay, today is a really important day for the gold market. Okay, even though that from the elections didn't really affected on the gold in a short period of time, you can see that it's a ranging market, going highs, going low, going high, and going low. But because of the dollar index going strength, this will be indirectly affected on the gold market, and the gold market has been dropping downwards. Okay, so I'm thinking that today is a really important day. If the price is closing above, if the price is closing above and closing back to this level, we can expect it that the price is likely to reach high in the next couple of days. But if the price is continue to close below, then I'm thinking that we can expect the price to reach through this area. Okay, so you can see that we might expect that the price to reach through this area because we can see this is the uh, accumulate manipulations, displacement, and right now is going through a rebalancing phase. And you also can see that it's around that area. So today is actually a really important day, and right away we can see that the market is reaching on the low sides. Okay, so you can see the price has been grabbing on the liquidations area, and from this point onwards, we can see that the price is closing on the lower sides. Later on today, the market will be much more focusing on the FOMC rate cuts, and it's likely to cut 25 basis point, and this will be also giving out some kind of support from the dollar index, and we are likely to see that the dollar index might be continue reaching high and reaching through this level. Okay, we might see that the price is going through this level. So as I already mentioned, we need to know that the market is going liquidity to another liquidity. So I'm thinking that this might be the lowest of the month. Okay, the dollar index is likely to continue going high and reaching where, because from the monthly perspective, we can see that the price has been grabbing these liquidations and it's going high sides. Our expectation is that the price will be going through this because the fair value gap from this area. But right now, I'm thinking that the market is likely to continue going higher sides, and we are likely to see that the price will be continue go through on the high sides. Okay, so overall, our expectation is that the dollar index will be continue going high, and this will be creating some kind of pressure on the gold market. Okay, gold market is likely to continue going low. So this week we already predict that the gold market is going low. I already mentioned the price is going high, reaching to this, grabbing liquidations, and once the price grab here, this is our point of interest, price going back and dropping down. So you can see that the price has been dropping down, grabbing these liquidations, and after that, we can expect what? we can expect that the price will be continue going on the low sides. Okay, so you can see that the price has been going high and continue going on the low sides. Okay, so this is what we expectations. We are expect that the price of gold market is likely to continue going on the low sides and grabbing these liquidations. Okay, we are using weekly time frame to find out. Okay, so how do we find out this scenario? As we already mentioned, we need to know that what is going on the market. The price is displacement from here. Okay, the price has been manipulations from here. Okay, manipulations from here and going back to displacement, and right now has been going back to the downside, so we are likely to see the market to go through on the downsides to grab liquidity area. So where is it we are aiming to? We are aiming that the price will be reaching on the sides. So where do we expect? We will be expect to external to the internal range and should be around from this area. So we can expect that the price might be reaching back to this 50%. Okay, so 50% area, and the price is going back to this low. Okay, so this is our expectations, and we are expect that the price of gold market is likely to go lower, grabbing liquidations, and after that will be continue going on the higher sides. So right now we are expect the price is going high. Okay, and from this point onwards we can't see any informations. So using that opening price going back to the 4 hour time frame, you can see much more clearly what is going on, reaching back, grabbing this liquidations. Once the price has been grabbing this liquidations, dropping down, we can use another 50-minute time frame. You can see that the price has been going up, manipulations and displacement down, and we can try to do shots from here, and the price is definitely going on the low sides. Okay, so you can see that the price has been reaching on the low sides, manipulations on the sides, displacement, then we will be waiting for um rebalance. Okay, going back, reaching to 50% on point. You can see that the price has been reaching through this 50% and going back to the range. Where is it? We can expect that might be this area. So we can actually use this as our reference. The price has been reaching through this area, and we can expect that the price is going on the lower sides. Okay, so you can see that price has been reaching through this area and preparing on the lower sides. Okay, so the price has been eventually going on low. You can put your stop loss here and getting a really big volatility going on the lower sides. And right now, what we can expect, the price has been going low and continue to going on the low sides. So right now, you can see it's about the same thing as well. The price has been manipulated from here. The market has been manipulations from here, displacement on the lower sides, and where do we expect the price going to? So you can see displacement on the low, rebalancing out. Okay, the price has been rebalancing out. Okay, the price has been rebalancing out from here, going back to the 50% range. So you can see that it's about the same. And you can see that the price has been reaching on the low sides. And going back to the 1 minute charts, you can see that price has been grabbing low, okay, grabbing low and breaking through on the low sides, grabbing this liquidations going low, and we can try to do shots from here. The best scenario is that if I wanted to, I can wait for the price to go through a 50% above. To be honest, I'm probably will be waiting for the price to go back to the 50%, maybe from back to this area. But once the price has been reaching through, you can see that the price is eventually is going lower, and the market sentiment is going on the lower sides and maybe reaching to this level. Okay, so right now we can expect that the gold market is going on the low sides. So if you do really like our channel and our live sections, educations, Please remember to click like and subscribe and follow us. We'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. in Singapore time. Okay, we'll be doing live streaming every day from 7 to 10. So if you do really interested, please give us a like, share to your friends so that we'll be continue doing live streaming to you guys. Okay. Okay, so our expectation is that the price of gold market will be going on the low side. Okay, so dollar index is probably going high, the gold market is going low, and other than that, AUD, USD, and New Zealand USD won't be going that much lower because stock index has been going high. To be honest, I was thinking that the stock indexes will be grabbing this low first and then continue going higher. But right away, we can see that the market is actually continue reaching on the high sides. We can see that the market has been grabbing liquidations and continue going from here onwards. So you can see that the market has been reaching. And we are likely to see this going on the higher sides. Okay. Okay. So if you have any questions, please leave your comment at the comment section below and we'll be answering your questions. If you do have anything to ask, you can just ask away and tell us what's your thought about it. What do you think the market will be going to later on? Okay, what is going on the stock indexes? What is going on the stocks? What is going on the dollar index, and so on? Okay, so right away we are speculate that the gold market is going on the low. The dollar index will be going on the low and reaching back, and it's going on the low side. So right away, don't try to do short positions, and we are expect the price will be going back to this low or even much more lower, to be honest. So try to do shorts and think that the price is going lower. So everything we can see that it's on our sites. The price has been going through 40 price range and likely to continue going lower. Okay, so this is what our expectations, quite easy. You can see that the manipulations from here, displacement above, market is going rebalancing out from here. This is our expectations that the price will be going to manipulation, displacement of downwards. So you can see that the price has been reflecting from here, grabbing up, grabbing this level, rebalancing out. So once the price has been rebalancing out, what we can expecting that the price is going lower and grabbing this lower liquidations. We already mentioned and we already stated that this week we are looking short on gold market. So if you do really listen to our live sessions, we already mentioned that the dollar index is going higher, the gold market is definitely going lower, and the silver market is also going on the lower side as well. Okay, so from the silver markets, it's also the same. You can see that the price has been reaching through this liquidations. So you can see the price has been grabbing this liquidations. So from here and rebalancing out, so we can speculations that price is going on the low side. Price has been going low. So what can we do? We can see that the price is definitely going on the low side. So once the price has been reaching through from this point onwards, grabbing back to this liquidity. So you can see, and where is it? You can see that this is actually the 50% of this area. So you can see that actually it's reaching through this area. Okay, once the price has been reaching through, we can wait for the price to manipulation displacement above, then we'll be using a smaller time frame and wait for a rebalancing out. So where can we rebalancing out? So you can see this is the area, manipulations, displacement, and where we can aiming from. We can do shots from this area. So we can see that we can try to do shots from here. And where can we expect the price will be going on the low sides? So we can see that the price has been reaching on the low and it's definitely going on the low. So everything you need to aligning with the bigger time frame and the smaller time frame and using time and price when is the market is moving, because today is elections. Fact that So we can expect that the price of silver market will be definitely going lower and grabbing these liquidations. Okay, so right away we can speculations that the price is going lower. Okay, but for everyone's sake, so we'll be using a new charts so you can see what is going on. So using new charts, what we can see is that the price is reaching true and reaching back to this level. Okay, so as we already mentioned, what is really going on, we'll be using a bigger time frame and letting see what is really going on. Price has been displacing above and failed to displace above, to be honest. So this is not a really good sign. So you can see that price has been reaching out, displace, reaching back. So we are likely to see some kind of rebalancing phase in the bigger time frame. And we can see that the price has been reaching through this. So we are likely to see some kind of rebalancing phase from here onwards. So you can see that this is the manipulation phase, displacement. So we'll be using this as our reference, reaching out, going down, and the price will be going back to the 50%. I think it might be going much more lower, to be honest, but let's put it right here. We can expect that the price will be reaching back to this level. Okay, so we are expect that the price is going back to this level. Going back to the daily time frame, we also can see that it's also the same manipulations, boom, boom, displacement above, rebalancing out. So we can see that the price has been rebalancing out from this point onwards, and what we can expect, also the same thing. Okay, so you can see, bam, and the price has been going on the low, and where is it going to? Probably on this level. Okay, reaching under this level. So everything we our expectation is that the price is going back to the low sides and grabbing the low liquidity area. Okay, low liquidity area. So um, so you can see that price has been grabbing here, reaching back 50%, same thing as well. Displacement and displacement below, and we'll be waiting for manipulations. So this is the manipulation phase. So this is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, going low, reaching back, and the price do really reach through this area. The last grabbing liquidity is from this point onwards. So we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity above. So we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity above. Once the price has been reaching through this manipulation phase, we can expect that also the same manipulation displacement rebalancing out, and the price will be continue going on the low sides. So this is what is really going on, seems to go to the gold market. If you do really understand, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be definitely continue doing live streaming with you guys and continue giving out free sessions, free live sessions, free education parts, and so on. So if you do really enjoy our live sessions, please give out your like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you do like our content, please give us like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. So right away, if you do have any questions, please do ask on the comment question below. Okay, one of the people section saying that, but okay, what product are you going to buy? Do you think that the market is going higher on the gold market? Okay, can you state your reasons behind of it? Why do you think that the gold market is going higher? Okay, because the price is reaching through this low or some sort. So you need to give out a really strong statement saying that why do you think that the gold is going on the low sides? Okay, hmm. Price is likely to reach through this low. So this is actually a market maker buy model. So where is it? Price has been reaching through this, going back to the 1 hour time frame, reaching back, going here, and the price has been displacement down, going through, and once the price failed to go up from here onwards, our speculations that the price is going on the high sides, and we can definitely thinking to do shorts, planning to put our stop loss above and grabbing on the low sides. So thinking that the market is going on the lower sides, okay, reaching through this liquidations area. So dollar index is probably going higher and higher, and this might be also creating some kind. Oh, the stock indexes continue going high. I was thinking that the price might be going lower, but seems like the cryptocurrency market is quite hot today as well. So I'm thinking that the cryptocurrency market it might be continue going higher. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to share to your friends so that we continue to do live streaming for you guys. Okay. So if you do have any questions, please leave your comment section below and we'll be answering your questions and giving out our direction of the week. Okay. So this week we already mentioned that we are looking to do shorts here, reaching back, going back to this level. The price has been reaching through, and the price has been continue going on the lower sides. Okay. So remember, if you do have any questions, please give us a comment section below, and we'll be answering your questions. Okay. Okay. So next we'll be talking about um we'll be talking about uh, okay, mostly other product we also have been covering out. Let's talk about GBP Okay, GBP I was thinking that the price is going back to the high side, to be honest. The price has been grabbing here, displacement reaching back to this level, and what I really didn't expected that the price is reaching back to this low, quite a strong low. So right away, this is actually a market maker sell model reaching on the low sides and going on the continue going low. GB, I'm thinking that the market is manipulated by the US elections, so we can see that there's a lot movement from this short period of time. So if you do really enjoy our live streaming, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us more, and we'll be giving out more tips and tricks on how to do trading. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live streaming, uh please give out your support and will be continue doing on. Okay, so we can see manipulation displacement on the low side. So this might be the 1 hour. Going back to the 5 minutes. Boom, boom. Reaching through manipulations, displacement on the top, and putting shots from here. If we wanted to, we can try to do shots from here and maybe putting stop loss above and grabbing on the low side. So we can see that the market has been going on the low and expectations that the price will be going back to this low. Okay, don't try to do long right now because everything has been showing signs that the price is going lower from here onwards. The price failed to displace and the price is going on the low sides. So you can see the price has been reaching back, going back, roll, boom. So reaching back to this level. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give out your supports, like and subscribe, and continue to follow us. Okay. So today I'll be also teaching you guys how to do trading. Okay, from the psychologic perspective and also from the trading plan. Okay, so everyone know how to trade. Okay, to be honest, everyone know how to trade, buy and long. Everyone have their strategy. Okay, ICT indicators, or maybe supply and demand, or maybe a white curve, alien wave, or anything. But this is actually a theory. Okay, everything is just a theory. Every theory works sometimes and maybe not work sometimes. Okay, there's no any theory that can stand forever. So this is actually a theory. So actually you need to have a trading plan. So what is your trading plan? So trading plan including on how do you manage risk. Okay, risk management, what's your entry, are you a swing trader, day trader? After that, you will be compounding everything else and plan a trading plan. For example, I'm a swing trader. So swing trader, what I need to be aware of. So swing trader is usually take some day or will be take some day to TP. Okay, so what is my trading plan? So the first thought and I'm thinking is that okay, if I'm a swing trader, then I really need to know when is likely is the weekly high. So weekly highs means that is where can I determine this high or maybe this high or maybe even this high. So once I can determine this, and then other than that, I will be using a much more smaller time frame and get a really good risk reward ratio. So this is my style. Everyone have their style. Okay, ICT is a strat. It's a theory. To be honest, to my perspective, you need to have really impact of what is your trading plan to survive. Okay, trading plans is really important. It's limit your trading it do really limit your trading opportunity, but it also secure your your income stream and also everything else. Okay, so trading plan is important. Once you have trading plan, you will be understand risk and but your belief of trading will be increasing and the attitude will be different and everything will be smoother. So this is really important. Understanding risk is actually one of the perspective on how do you look through on trading. So this is really important. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be definitely continue doing live streaming every day from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be continue doing live streaming with you guys. Okay, so hopefully that you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions and give up your like and subscriptions. We need to have your support, everyone. Okay, remember that. Okay, so right away, let's see can we do any live trading sessions. Okay, the price is going low and we are likely to see on the lower sides. Lower sides. Let's see price reaching true, rebalancing out for our time frame. 50 minutes. Price go back, going low. Yeah, I'm likely to see the price will be reaching through this area. So let's see how it happens. But nonetheless, our speculation is that the price is going lower because this it's showing signs that the price is going lower and reaching back to this level. Okay, so we have actually have a small range that expect that the price will be going through, and we'll be waiting for the price to go back and let's see how it happens. Okay, So price might be reaching back and giving back, giving some kind of resistant area, and we are aiming on this low. Okay, everything is showing signs that the gold market is going lower and reaching back to this and reaching back to this. So the most important thing is to have your bias. So what are your bias? My bias is already do shorts, to be honest, but this week is a really funky week, to be honest. I was thinking that the market is going through here because the market has been forming back, but they didn't expect the price is reaching through. And after that, this morning, the price reached back again. Okay, I was thinking that the price might be reaching through, going back here, and then continue going lower sides. But the price has been reaching back, going loud, and it's going on the low sides. Okay, so once the price has been going low, you can see that everything it's all makes sense. Okay, the price has been going low, reaching back, and reaching much more lower. Okay, so if you do really like our live streaming sessions or live education, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be keep on doing live streaming for you guys and continue doing uh giving out live trading sessions, live trading opportunities. Okay, so right now expect that the gold is going lower, dollar index is going higher and reaching to this. Cryptocurrency market is probably will be going higher, to be honest, but not a really good time to do long. Crude oil, I will probably doing shorts. Okay, Euro USD, I will be watch and see how it goes, and let's see how it does. Okay, so I already mentioned why that the euro pairing is going lower. Okay, so increasing tariff taxes on euro sector, increasing uncertainty, euro pairings has been dropping. So the euro pairings has been dropped a lot. Okay, as in GUSD, it's about the same thing as I already mentioned, price going on the low. So this is also one of the good thing that we can see. Okay, price has been manipulated from here. Is it manipulations? Let's see. Okay, we can see this is the manipulations going back to the 1 minute charts and see is there any manipulations. Yes, it is manipulations, and we need to see the price to go back to this low. Once the price has been go back to this low, we definitely usually will be back to this. I was hoping that the price would be reaching to this and putting my stop loss maybe above this area and expect the price is going lower, but sometimes the price do really rejecting back to this area. But overall, our expectation is that the price of the price of silver market is continue going on the lower sides. Okay, where is it going to? Probably reaching back to this level. Okay, so you can see that it actually makes sense on our story. So this is the highest week, two going up, reaching back, and it's going low, really low. Okay, and expect that the price might be continue going on the low sides. Okay, so silver market, gold market is going low, cryptocurrencies might be continue going high, stock indexes will be retracement and then will be continue doing high. And other than that, New Zealand USD and AUDSD, I think all the USD products will be going on the lower sides. Okay, so if you do really like our live streaming sessions, please give us a like, subscribe, follow us, and we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you think that our analysis part is really good, give us, you can go through our bio and you can see that we do have signal group as well. So hopefully you can also join our signal group and we'll be giving out much more signal. Our winning rate is really high. We have been posting a lot of signals from, I think, from this today, and we have been winning a lot. We have been winning a lot. So if you do really interested, please give us a like and subscribe. So let's talk about USD CAD pairings. To be honest, USD CAD pairings has been showing a really bullish sentiment reaching back, and the price do really go back to this low. So I'm thinking that the price is reaching back and grabbing a lower liquidity area. Lower liquidity area, and where is it? I was expect that the price will be going back to this lower sides, grabbing this liquidations, but the price didn't really reach you. The price didn't really reach you and continue back to this level. So I think we can't really do long in this area, to be honest. Probably I probably will be wait for the price to reject and then continue going higher. So uh, but to be safe, I think the next couple of days we'll be definitely doing long. Okay, USD CAD will be definitely doing long and expected that the price will be continue going high. So we'll be doing long on USD CADs and also GBUSD. I mean, doing shorts on Euro USD and also GBUSD banks. So let's look through the gold market and see what is going on. The gold market, it's going on the low sides and grabbing this liquidations. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, follow us. We'll be doing live streaming every day, giving you tips and tricks how to be a live trader and how to be consistency. Okay, consistent is really important, and consistent is a required trading plan. Everyone have their own trading plans, maybe indicator, maybe strategy, but usually it's include when do you do trading, what's your strategy, and what's your risk management. Okay, what's your risk method? Okay, are you using anti-martingale or martingale method, or maybe you are using uh, compounding plus anti-martingale, or maybe you're just using martingale. A lot of method that you can use. Okay, risk management is the one of the most important thing. So do remember. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be continue giving out live streaming content and also a lot of information for you guys. Okay, so right away, we'll be also preparing on the PPT session. So I will be giving out some of my things and giving you summary what is really going on. Okay, so what has happened? Okay, today the most important thing is the US elections day. So US elections, we can see that the market is already speculations that the Trump will be winning, and this has been causing that the stock market has been surging overnight. So you can see that the investor has been betting on Donald Trump, and the price has been continuing going higher. Uncertainty issues has been giving up Bitcoin to go to higher sites, all-time high, while the dollar index is also expecting to go higher. So what is their plan in the future? Okay, in the winning president today, he usually is much more beneficial on the upper class, the rich. So you can see that Elon Musk is actually more side to him, and I think that most of the rich people will be more side to him as well. So why is it? Because he actually proposed tax cuts and other spending powers. So we can see that and he has also have a slogan MAGA. So I won't be talking about what is it, make American great again. Okay, so a lot of things is probably will be supporting on the economy situations. So in the past on 2020, 2018, 19 or 20, we can see that the stock market is really, really high. A lot of trader really like uh current president comparable to the last president, to be honest, because we can see that there's a lot of price movement, especially on the stock market perspective. We can see that the stock market has been going higher, and a lot of things will be happening in the next couple of days or maybe the next couple of weeks. So in the next couple of weeks, we can expect the market will be having a really, really huge volatility. Okay, so once they propose a tax cuts, spending plans, and also creating physical divisions to supporting the economy. This will be what will be happening. This will be aligning and ignite the inflations. So when once the inflation has been going higher, how does the Federal Reserve will be react with it? Federal Reserve will be definitely increasing the interest rates or maybe staying current interest rate decisions. So this is everything it's supporting on the dollar index, and our current president is really already announcing that he actually just boosting on the dollar index. If dollar index to be go to the new high, so dollar index will be probably in the next couple of days it's going on the high sides. Okay. Other than that, we also can see that the sentiment has been pushing sector. You can see that this is the market sector today. So you can see that everything is green. Okay, everything is green. You can see that Microsoft, Apple, Adobe, Nvidia, Avago, MD, and what JP Morgan's, everything has been going green. Amazon, Tesla, HD, Google, Meta, and everything is going green. Walmart, Costco, Targets, uh, BG is what? So sure. Okay, okay, also Coca-Cola, Pepsi, so on. Everything it's green. So today, so this is also one of the reasons why that a lot of people it's more on the trader side is more sight on current presidents. So we can see that everything is green. You today you just simply pick, I think you will be probably profits. Okay, just simply pick a stock. Okay, just shoot a stocks using this, giving a dot and giving out, you probably will be TP and you will be gaining. The most affected will be Tesla because Tesla, Elon Musk is much more citing on him, already mentioned about it. So we can see that Tesla has been gained the most. So the 3.54%. I think that in the opening market, it's likely to increasing back to I heard that it's already up to 20%. So Tesla stocks will be going higher. So once Tesla stock is going higher, which will be affected on the tech sector. So tech sector, which is it? Amazon will be affected, Google, Meta, Nvidia, everything it's going high. Tech and financial sector is definitely going higher. So you can try to use financial sector. So JP Morgan's is one of the best choice that you can choose on, or maybe you can choose on Microsoft and anything else. You can see that everything is going high. I think is currently it's really easy to trade. You just do long and just set and forget and let the God do the rest. Just forget about it and just continue to do long about it. Okay, stock indexes is likely to continue to break through new high and speculations that the market will be continue to going higher and higher in the next couple of days. Okay, so this is what is really going on. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta, everything it's going strength. Okay, other than that, this is what is really happening today. The stock performance variant with investor expectations, economic indicator, and geopolitical conditions. So I won't be talking much about geopolitical conditions, but right now we can see that the market is much more increasing sentiments on the stock market. So the risk assets will be continue going higher. Cryptocurrency is one of the thing is also boosting higher, and also the stock indexes. Okay, crude oil might be indirectly will be affected as well, but nonetheless, I'm thinking that we will be continue doing long on the stock indexes. Okay, stock indexes will be continue going higher. Okay, okay, so price has been reaching through new high, so right now the price will be rebalancing out. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember, if you do really like my analysis and our content, you can go to our bio and you can try to go through and join our Telegram group and our Signal group as well. We have a Signal group and our winning rate is quite high. You can go through and join it. Okay, so this is really important. If you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, and we have been giving out a lot of tips and tricks, and we already expect that the goal is going lower. Okay, the goal is going lower and reaching through these liquidations, and we are using weekly time frame to do analysis. So right now we can see that the price has been reaching through and likely to go lower. So what is it going on right now? As we already mentioned, price has been grabbing this liquidation. So what is going on? We are expect that the price will be rebalancing out. So once the price has been rebalanced out, giving us some kind of manipulation base, then we will be continue doing short positions. So right now we can expect that the price will be reaching through, grabbing on, and we will be expecting that the price is reaching through back from this 1 hour time frame. Why? Because this is the 1 hour time frame liquidations area. So price might be reaching back towards this level. So you can see reaching back and going back to this level. Okay, the price will be going back to this level and let's see how the price react. Okay, so let's see how the price react. So once the price react, then we can try to do shorts. Okay, so let's see how does the price react. Fine. Mm, so let's see how the price react from this point onwards. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and give out your supports on how do you think that our trading opportunities, trading strategies. You can leave your comment in the comment section below. And if you think that you have any questions, you can also ask. And please remember to like, subscribe, and follow us. And if you do really interested on our signal group, you can go to our bio and we have a lot of signals as well and you can join it. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to support on our live streaming sessions. Okay, so let's see how the price react from this point onwards. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and hopefully you give out your support. Okay, excuse me. Okay. Oh, really think about it. Okay, so if you do remember, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue doing live streaming with you guys and giving you us tips and tricks on how to do trading. Okay, hmm. Yes. This one is a really good one. If tomorrow the price do really reach back to this on the lower side, I think we can do long positions and we can get a really good R&R. We can get 80 or 90 pips. We are likely to see the price to go higher. Okay, so if the price do really go through, I think we can get a really good R&R. Okay, USD CAD, I'm think likely that the price is going back to this level. So maybe the price will be going ranging tomorrow onwards. If that really happens, I think we can get a really good R&R. Okay, good risk reward ratio. So let's see. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be continue giving you support and so on. Okay. So right now, as we already mentioned, that the price is going lower. Okay. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you do really like our analysis, we also have a signal group. You can go to our bio and you can learn more about it. Okay, you can just go through there and learn more about it. We have a lot of signal per day. I think we have 5 signals, and our winning rate is really high. So if you do really enjoy it, please remember and give out your supports. Okay, give out your supports, everyone. Okay, so remember to give out, like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, so right now let's talk about the gold market. This week we already predict that the gold market is going lower. Why? We already mentioned that the price is from here onwards, from the weekly perspective, the price is going back to this manipulations, displacement, and the price is failed to displace above from this point onwards. So what we can expect that the market is rebalancing on the lower sides. Okay, so once we can see that the price is rebalancing on the lower sides, we already expect that the price is going lower. Okay, going back to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the price has been reaching through, rebalancing out. This is the highest point. Why? We can see that because this is the fair value gap from the 50%. You can see that the price has been reaching through, going back, and today onwards this week, the price is already reaching back to this level. Okay, grabbing this liquidity and going back, grabbing above. Where is it? This is actually the fair value gap area. Okay, even though that the price did reach through 50%, but we can see that the price has been reaching through this level. Okay, so where is it? What we can see, we'll be using 50 minutes from onwards. So what we can see, going back from the 50 minutes, we can see that the price has been manipulations, and I was expected that the price going back from going lower, but the price do really reach back, going back, manipulations, and rebalancing out, and the price has been eventually going on the low sides. So here it's also the same. The price has been rebalancing from this. So you can see that the price has been rebalancing from this, and going back to the 5 minute charts, you can see that the price displacement rebalancing out and continue going on the lower sides. So everything is showing signs that the price is going lower. So if you do really enjoy our live streaming, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and give us your support. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know more about it, you can go to our bio sites, and we'll be giving out much more details about it. Okay, we have a lot of signal per day, 5 signals per day. And if you do really like it, give us uh, a like, subscribe, and follow us. Remember to join our Telegram group signal as well. Okay, so let's talk. I will be writing down here, so hopefully everyone do really heard about it. So follow, like, and subscribe. Important thing, like and subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. And where can we do? You can. We will be doing Monday to Friday. Live streaming Monday to Friday. So live streaming on Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday. So we'll be doing Monday to Friday. Okay. So where is it? We'll be doing 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Singapore time. Okay. So if you do have anything, please give up your your idea and so on. Okay, so if you have any questions, give out your supports. So 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and will be also if you want join our Telegram group. Uh, Join our Telegram group on our more signal. Go to bio. Okay. So if you want more signals, you can go to our bio, and it's really important. Okay. So if you will be doing follow, like, and subscribe, live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, and we'll be doing live streaming every day from 7 p.m. Okay. So let's see on the comment section below. Okay. Hi. Thank you for joining. And what was the scam? SNRSRT, you will succeed in trading. Don't need to stress SNR. Okay, only SNR and SND only. WD, yeah, I already mentioned, okay, actually every theory, it works, okay, there's a lot of theory behind of it, okay, we have Elliott wave, we have Dow's theory, we have SMC, we have supply and demand, every strategy, every theory, it works, okay, but it doesn't mean that a trading theory will be a holy grail. You need to have your trading plan, okay, a theory is just a theory. You need to have a trading plan because trading plan is help you to structure everything. Okay, trading plan is actually combining on risk management. Is understand risk management. You have their risk management. Your trading entry. When do you do trade? What's your risk parameter? Everything else. Okay, my sites are using SMC. Okay, everything is do really work. You just need to have a structure structure side of it. Okay. Even you using RSI, I also can say that it's also profitable. You just need to structureize. Okay. Don't try to say that at your the theory is holy grail. Everything it's also have their loss and profits. You just need to find your edge, and also risk management is the most important thing. Okay, this is really important. Okay, so if you do really know what is going on, remember and give out your trade. Thanks for your information, sir. Where from you? Okay, we are from Southeast Asia. So if you do really interested on our content, you can just join our live streaming because our live streaming is free. We are giving out our trading opportunities, trading signals, and trading live sessions from our live streaming sessions. Okay, so 7 years in trading. This is my advice. Okay. Okay, so this is your advice. I'm thinking that it's also quite okay. Everyone have their style. Okay, I don't think that there's a one theory it's really provide the holy grail. Okay, even though a lot of people say SMC the best, but I don't really think about it. I think that every theory have their flaws, have their pros, and have their cons. Okay, everything have their pros and cons, to be honest. So even though you are using Elon Wave, I'm thinking that it's also quite okay. You just need to structuralize and also maintain a really good, and you have a data to support about it. If you're just using a theory trading and you don't have any structure, you definitely will be fail in the longer time frame. Why? Because you don't have a structure, and once you fail, you will be finding more things to combine your trading strategy. So for example, if I using SMC and SMC fail sometimes, I might be adding some indicators, I might be adding some SNR, or maybe I'm adding some theory behind of it. This will be making things more complex. Okay, the right thing to do is to structure your strategy and structure your trading plan. This is the most important thing. This is my advice. Okay, there's no theory or maybe no such thing that theory will be going going one side. This is my thought about it. Okay, so if you do really enjoy, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So right away, this is our point of interest. We will need to have the price to go through a certain area. Okay, so if you do like our content, please give us a like, follow, like, subscribe, live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and we'll be also have our signal group as well. So you want more, you can go to our bio and join it. Okay, we have a lot. Okay, we are posting trading maybe per day. We have 5 trades per day, so you can go try it. Our winning rate is quite high. I think we just posted out the short positions and we have been gaining a lot. So if you do really like it, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. If you don't trust me, it's okay. You can just continue to watch our live streaming and just see how we do. Okay. If in the process you do trust us, then okay, you can just join us. We don't force and we don't try to force everyone. If you do really like it, you just can follow and subscribe. The best thing is just follow and subscribe first, and you can monitor our live streaming sessions. Okay, and our live streaming sessions is Monday to Friday. Okay, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. So if you want more about it, you can go to our bio, and we'll be definitely giving much more about it. Okay, so remember, not buy. Remember to like and subscribe our live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. More signal going back to the bio. Okay, so remember, if you do really enjoy it, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. Okay, so remember, the most important is follow and like, subscribe. We give out free educations. We have been giving out a lot of things. So if you do really like if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so this is the most important thing that you can try to do on. So next, we'll be also talking about other things. So we can try to talk about the cryptocurrencies. We can talk about the dollar index. But other than that, we already mentioned that the dollar index is going higher. So this is what we already predict. The price has been manipulated and it's going on the low sides, grabbing here. And once the price has been grabbing here, the price is displacement above and reaching back. So you can see that the price is going a market maker buy model reaching back and the price has been reaching back to a new high. So dollar index is likely to continue going higher. So what will be really affected on Euro USD is most likely affected on why we already give out the reasons behind of it. Okay, so what's the reasons behind of it? We already mentioned that why euro is dropping, increasing tariff, taxes on euro sector, and increasing uncertainty. So euro pairings has been dropping a lot. Okay, so this is really important. Okay, so going back to our sections. So this is what is really happening on the sector map. So you can see that Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Avago, everything is going strong. Amazon, Tesla, everything. If today you are trading stocks, it's definitely no brainer. You are getting a lot of it. Okay, so going back from the currency strength index. So this is really important. Okay, giving you a free information right here. Okay, from this currency strength index, what informations can you get? Okay, so from the beginning of the few days, we can see that the market is going ranging. The USD, AUD, everything is going a ranging market. After that, the dollar index has been going strong. And what is falling back? We can see that the AUD, New Zealand, CAD has been going back. So what does it mean by that? So you can see that USD is going strong, CAD, AUD, Malaysia is going strong as well. So what's the reason behind of it? One of the reason is that the risk assets demand is going high. So you can see that the economy sentiment is going high. So you can see that VIX indicator is going really low. So AUD, New Zealand, and CAD has been going strong. But we can see that the safe haven currency such as the JPY, CHF pairing has been dropping down. So we can see that everything is forming, giving the risk assets going a really support. AUD, New Zealand CAD has been going strong. Other than that, we can see that the CHF, Euro, and JPY has been going weaker. So if CHF, JPY going weaker, it's because it's safe haven currency. Now that the market is really boosted up, thinking that the economic situations will keep getting better, so the safe haven currencies has been dropping down. Euro dropping down is because in the future a lot of speculation saying that will be increasing tariff taxes, so this will be giving out euro bearings which dropping down. So from this point onwards, you can get this kind of information just looking by this, you already know what is going on. So from this point onwards, what I will be trying to do, I can try to do on the rates assets. So I can try to do long on AUD USD, New Zealand USD, not AUD. I can do long on AUD JPY, New Zealand JPY, AUD CHF, New Zealand CHF, and so on. Because I already thinking that the risk assets will be continue going higher and putting pressure on the safe haven currencies. So CHF, JPY, and other currency pairings will be continue maintaining on the lower sides. So from this point onwards, I already have a bias. After that, I already have a bias. Then I just know when I wanted to trade. Okay, I just know. Then the next question is, how do I do trading? What's my entry and so on. Once you have your bias, your winning rate much more higher because bias is determine the direction of the day. What's your determined direction? Do you think the market is going high, going low? Everyone in the beginner stage don't know how to determine directions, but using currency strength index will be giving out what is the sentiment of the market, what is going on. And if you know what is going on, then you will be knowing that which product I will be looking through and which product I will be going to. So this is really important and giving out for free. If you want more of this kind of informations, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Remember, we are giving out every day this kind of free information and giving out tips and tricks for free. If you wanted to know more about it, just follow, like, and subscribe and to our channel, and we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and share to your friends. Support us. And if you want more signals, you can go to our bio and join our signal group as well. Our signal group, we are posting 5 signals group a day, and our winning rates is around 80 to 90%, that kind of range. So if you do really interested, you can just join it and do more about it. If you don't trust us, okay, never mind. You can also just go through our live streaming sessions day by day and see how do we do trades. It's also free, but the most important thing is to like and subscribe, okay? Because like and subscribe, it's free, okay? Just give us a like and subscribe is the most important thing. Hopefully that you do really learn something, because every day on our live streaming, we hopefully that you do learn something new, okay? So from this, we already knew that the market is demand from risk assets and putting pressure on the safe haven currencies. Okay, from this point onwards, from the sector map, we already know that the market is boosting the stock market. So you can see Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta, Nvidia, Avago, JP Morgan's, everything is going high. So meaning by that is that today you just simply do long in each of any of these stocks, you are definitely on the green side. Because why? Because everything is green. From the sector perspective, you can see that the technology sector, the semiconductor sector, the consumer service, consumer defensive industries, everything is going green. So meaning by that is actually today doing stocks is much more no-brainer. Just simply choose a one. I think it's definitely also on the green side. The red side is quite small, quite less. So you can see that is ADI, FIS, those kind of things. But if you choose the right one, I think overall you are on the green side. Okay, so if you do really interested on this kind of content, this kind of informations on how to do trading, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And if you want to know more on our signal group, you can also go to our bio, and our bio will be giving out signals, 5 to 6 signals per day, and our winning rate is also quite high. But if you think that it's really offensive, and you can just try to follow and like and subscribe, okay? We also will be giving out free educations every day from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, giving out free educations. Hopefully, you do learn something. Okay, our 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 perspective is letting you know, learn something new, and giving out free education part. Okay, so if you do really learn something, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so this is the next thing that everyone will be much focusing, because later on in the midnight 2 a.m. okay, Singapore time, people will be likely to watch out on Federal Reserve. Okay, FOMC rate statement. So what we can speculations, a lot of people, I think it's we can say that it's usually is a 25 basis point, so it's nothing to say about it. But the market will be focusing on what's the comment on this US elections. From what understanding, I'm thinking that Federal Reserve Powell won't be giving out much more comment and will be talking about his solid institutions, won't be giving out comment sections. So I'm thinking that the market won't be giving out a lot of things. Okay, been giving out a lot of things. So our speculation is that won't be giving out much more comment on the U.S. elections, but I think we need to much more focusing on the December rates. So what will he talk about? So will he talk about dropping rates on December, or giving out much more back hawkish statement, or maybe hawkish, another words is what, more conservative speech. Okay, we need to be aware of that, but nonetheless we already speculations that will be dropping about on 25 basis point. So what if it's dropping out 25 basis point? We are what will be happening? Okay, we can expect that the market will be definitely boosting on the dollar index. So the dollar index will probably gaining some kind of supports. Okay, why? Okay, there's a few reasons. One is that today the election results, okay, has been giving out. Okay, and another thing is that 25 basis point, or because in the next couple of weeks, the new president is definitely boosting on the economic situations. So once boosting economic situations, what it really affect, inflations will be continue going back, and the Federal Reserve might be maintaining their interest rates. So I'm likely to see that the dollar index will be continue going higher and maybe reaching back towards this area. So looking by that, we already predict that the gold market is going on the lower sides. So this is our point of interest that we are using. We are already giving out. So this is our point of interest. So we can see that the price has been reaching through. Okay, so right away, so as I already mentioned, if you do really like our content, please give us a like. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Everything is free. Okay, you can learn something, or if you don't want to learn, you come here to chit chat also. Okay, we are also free to chit chat. If you want to talk about my strategy sucks, it's okay. We can also discuss about it. If you want to talk about your strategy is really good, we also can discuss about it. If you think that you are also have your opinion, also it's okay about it. Just like and subscribe, follow, and you can talk about it from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you want more about it, you can go to our signal on you can if you want more our signal, you can go to our bio and go to the shops. But if you think that this is quite offensive to you, thinking that this might be not a really good thing, but you just can give us a like and subscribe, okay? Because it's free, nothing harm, okay? Hopefully that you can support us and will be continue motivations to do on, okay? So give up your supports and directions. We already give out our speculations of the week, because we already mentioned that the price has been reaching through this, grabbing liquidity from this point onwards. So you can see that this is manipulations, displacement, and right now it's rebalancing back. So in the short period of time, we already expectations that the price is going lower, displacement. So you can see that boom, 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 rebalancing back and going back on the lower sides. So don't try to do long. To be honest, I'm thinking that the market is continue going lower and reaching back to this area. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. And remember that your support is our one of our motivations to continue to on. Okay, our motivations is really continue to do on. Remember, okay? So nonetheless, we also give out a lot of pairings. So you can try to talk about the silver markets. So silver markets is actually it's also on the low sides. We already mentioned that the price of silver market is going low. But if you do really interested on how much do we need to spend for first time, not so sure what you're asking, but this is for free. Okay, live streaming is free. But if you want to join our bio, we have a really not a really big amount, but you can join it. Just press it there, and there's a lot of information from there onwards. Okay, hopefully you do learn something. Going back, we can see that let's talk about other pairings. Okay, I'm thinking the next pairing that I'm really focusing on is the USD CAD pairings. Okay, USD CAD pairings is really giving me a bullish sentiment. Okay, so from the monthly perspective, we already knowing that the market is going higher. So what is it? Okay, why? Okay, you can see that USD CAD has been ranging how long? From 2022 till now 2024. It's already 2 years ranging area. So you will be knowing that the longer the longer the ranging, the higher the volatility and higher the bigger the trend. So for example, the gold market. Okay, gold market has been ranging for a long time ago. Okay, so let's see going back. So how long is it? So going back has been ranging to 2020 to 2023 has been ranging for 3 years. Okay, so you can see how large the volatility going back 900. I think this is not 900. Yeah, 900 pips. Okay, 900 pips. Okay, USD CAD, it's already ranging for how long? 4 years. Yeah, okay, 2 years. So what we can expect? We can expect that USD CAD will be likely to go higher and maybe reaching through a new time high. So USD CAD it's going higher and we are definitely focusing on this one. Okay, so if you want to know more about it and how to do trading on our live streaming sessions, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so this is really important. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and everything is free on our live streaming. We needn't charge anything on live streaming. You just can join it Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. If you wanted to more and you think that you are comfortable for it, you can go to our signal and go to our bio shops. Okay, so remember to like and subscribe and remember to support us. Okay, apart from that, we also can see that other than that, other than USD CAD, the next pairing that I'm looking through is crude oil. Okay, crude oil is one of the pairings that I'm looking to do shorts on. Why? Okay, from the monthly perspective, we already can see that the market has been going lower. Okay, you can see that reaching back, going low, grabbing these liquidations, and the price has been ranging from here, but the momentum is going lower and lower. And right here, we can see that the market has been grabbing these liquidations. So what does it mean by that? Means that the price from last month, the price has been going high and going a really fast downwards. So meaning by that, it's not really likely that crude oil will be going back towards this area. To be honest, it's not likely. So where do we expect? We'll be going back and grabbing these liquidations. So as I already mentioned, we are doing long on USD CAD. Then what do we do? Crude oil will be doing shorts. So what we can expect, okay, from the monthly perspective, if we thinking that the market is doing shorts, we'll be thinking to do shorts on above the closing price. Okay, so what we can expect. My expectation is actually I was waiting for the price to reach through this area. This is my point of interest, waiting for the price to go back and then going lower. But the price do not really reach through, but has been grabbing these liquidations. So once the price has been grabbing these liquidations, what we can see, market go and displacement on the low sides. So right now, it's already giving me a confirmation that the crude oil it's preparing on the low sides. Okay, so preparing on the low sides. preparing on the low sides. So if you do think that, or if you don't know how to do shorts on, you can just go through our live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 9 a.m., 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., and we'll be giving out free live trading sessions. Okay, free live trading session, and this is a real account, everyone. Okay, and this is a real account. 9.1k real account. We'll be doing live streaming sessions. So remember to like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about it, if you want more information, can go to our bio sessions, and we'll be giving out free educations as well. Remember, like and subscribe. Okay. Okay, so right now we can speculations that the price of the gold market is going lower. Don't try to do shorts right now. So if you do really like our content, please like and subscribe. If you want more about it, you can go to our bio. We have much more about it. Okay, remember you can go to our bio, more signals. But if you think this is offensive for you, you think that this is your first time, you can just follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day, okay, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So remember to like and subscribe, or even share to your friends if you wanted to. Okay, so remember. Okay, so the next couple of days, I will be much more focusing on the USD CAD and the crude oil market. Okay, crude oil and USD is one of my major focusing point. The next, if you want to much more easy, you can just try to do long on SP 500, because SP 500 is likely to continue going on the high sides. I'm thinking that the SP 500 will be definitely going high. So price of stock indexes will be definitely reaching through a new high in the near future. Okay, because as we already know, today the US elections has been going through, so we are likely to see that the stock indexes will be continue going on the high sides. So stock indexes will be going high and maybe reaching through 6,000 or even much more higher, to be honest. I'm thinking that. So in the next couple of days, if you want to much more easy, you can just try to do long on the stock indexes. Okay, stock indexes is probably is the most easy pairings right now. So if you want to much more complicated, and if you want your risk appetite is much more bigger, you can try to focusing on the stock, the gold market. I'm thinking that the gold market will be having a really huge volatility in the next couple of days. So let's see let's see how was it. Okay, so right now we can see that the price has been manipulations from the low. So we can speculations that this is might be the really good opportunity to do shorts, and the price is going on the low side. Why? Because the price, we need to see the price to close above. So I think we need to the price to close below first. If the price do really close below, then I'm thinking that we can try to do shorts. But right now, I'm thinking that the market will be going highs and lows because the price didn't really close. Okay, so if you do really like, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to join our. Uh, if you want more about it, you can join on our signal group on the bio sections. Okay, so okay, we have a lot of people talking about it. So if you have any questions behind of it, also if you have any comment section below, just let us know more about it. Okay. So if you know what is okay, scam. Okay, I'm not so sure why you talk about scam. We are giving out for free. So if you think that it's scam, then you don't have any problem about it. So, but if you think you want to learn something more, you can just follow, like, and subscribe. And our live streaming sessions is from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. So if you do really like it, just follow, like, and subscribe. Okay. Okay. So follow, like, and subscribe, and follow us. But from what we can experience right now, the price is actually rebalancing back to our phase. So if the price do really reflecting and going back, then the next couple of days, maybe the gold market will be going higher. But this is a really important thing. Okay. So let's see how the price react from here. If the price has been closing back above, next, I think we can try to do long positions. But let's see how the price react from today onwards. Today is really important because as we already mentioned, Tuesday and Wednesday usually will be forming the highest or maybe the lowest of the day. So if today the price do really close below, the price has been reaching through and close above, then this might be the lowest of the week or maybe of the month, and the price will be eventually going back to this area. But right now, I'm thinking that the price will be definitely going on the lower side. So doing shorts on the gold market is probably a great choice about it. Okay. So right now we can see that the market has been reaching through. I'm definitely waiting for the price to close below from this. I think I will be waiting from 9 p.m. If the price do really close, then I really confident that the price is going lower and I will be definitely doing shorts on. So this is really important. I will be waiting for the price to close. So if you do really want to know more about it, please give us a like, follow, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and also more signal. You can go to our bio. Okay, so remember, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and more signal can go to our bio sessions. So right now we can see that the market has been reaching too high and continue going on the high side. Nasdaq is also going high and reaching through a new high. Bitcoin, BTC USD, it's also reaching through new high. Crude oil, I will be definitely doing shorts. So right now I will be telling you guys how to do shorts. Okay, the price has been reaching through here, so I'll be using 1 hour time frame to see the price to go on. Price has been reaching through and going back to this low, rebalancing out from this point of interest. So the price has been reaching back from this 50%. So once the price has been reaching through this 50%, we are likely to see the price is going low and grabbing on the low liquidity. So where is it going to? Probably will be going back to this level. Okay, so you can see the price has been going this level, rebalancing out from this point onwards. So you can see that this is the starting point from here and then going back on the lower sides. So going back 50% above. So we can see that the price has been reaching back towards upwards. So right now we can see that the price is reaching back to this range. I'm definitely thinking that this is the range that I'm looking to. So we can see that this is the range. So right now we can see that the price is 1 minute, 1 hour. So we'll be using 5 minutes. So manipulations, displacement on the low sides. So yeah, I'm definitely doing shorts, but wait for the price to retracement above. I will be doing shorts, putting my stop loss above from this area and getting much more lower. Okay, because we can see that this has been giving out a really good signal. Price going high, forming supports from the fair value gap, but the price has been breaking through below, so it's likely to see some kind of lower momentum and reaching on the low side. So we are expectations that the crude oil will be definitely going low. Doing shorts is definitely a good choice. Okay, okay. Can you tell me what I learned start from MT5? Okay, if you're using MT5, you need to know the short key. Control T is your account balance and the time frame. So this is the time frame that you are using on. You can click the right of your mouse and there's a lot of sections, templates, time frames, trading levels, trading histories, and so on. So you need to be uh, need to get used to it. And the next thing is that you also need to know which broker that you are using. Okay, trusted broker is the one of the biggest thing that you really need to aware. Okay, so not make use of suggest if it's wrong, bro. You should investigate the probability. Yes, probability. This is really good. Okay, just now I have a comment section below talking about the theory base. Okay, saying SNR is the best. Okay, SNR is the best. SN supply and demand is the best. Okay, I don't really think that there's a strategy or there's an indicator that really works, a holy grail that works everything. Okay, theory is just a theory. You need to have a plan to structure it. Okay, we have a lot of theory behind of it. We have the most famous SMC. We have hundreds of not hundreds, 70 or 50 years of history. Even wave, we have a long history of the down theory. Japanese have their candlesticks. Chinese have uh, 缠论, a lot of things. There's a lot of theory behind of it, but theory is just a theory. You need to structure it. You need to maintain. And what's structure it? Your trading plan. You need to identify what's your trading style. Are you a swing day? Swing day or maybe a scalper. Other than that, you need to parameter your risk management per trade, how many risks you are using, what's your trading risk management method, anti martingale, compounding, risk reward ratio, high winning rates, and so on and so on. Theory is just a theory. You need to structure it and make it a strategy and make it a plan to yourself. If you're using theory to trade, okay, what will be happening if you're using theory to trade? If you're using theory to trade, other than that, one of the days you will be facing some kind of problem. What problem that you are facing? Once you fail, sometimes you are acting much more on your strategy, much more on your theory. Okay, for example, I'm losing using SMC. I will be putting a lot more confirmations about it because I'm thinking that this might not giving me much more confirmations. I will be putting out RSI. I will be putting out as maybe putting complying with YCHpro or maybe much more. So the right thing is to choose your style, choose your theory, and then after that, comply and make it a trading plan to yourself. Okay, everyone have their needs, everyone have their style. There's no right or wrong, to be honest. To my sites, you can use RSI. Just using RSI to trade, I'm thinking it's all right. If you have data, then it means that you are on the right sides as well. Okay, so if you do really okay. Okay, this is also one of the questions. Bro, he's Chinese. Why do you care whether it's hard? Okay. Yes, I'm Chinese, so thanks. Okay, right now I'm using just markets. Okay, everyone have their choice of making. But if you want to know more about it, how to comply and how to make it a trading plan, I will making a lessons, maybe a next or maybe a next couple of lessons. But if you do really like our trading methods, please follow, like, and subscribe. Live trading Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. More signal, you can go to our bio sites. Okay, you can go to our bio and go to learn more about it. Okay, so this is really important. Like and subscribe, it's free. Give out, it's also important. So give us your like and subscribe, everyone. Like and subscribe is the most important. If you do really like it on our trading sites, you can also go to our bio to get more signals behind of it as well. So I'll be waiting another 5 minutes and see the price to go through. If the price will really close, I'm thinking that I'll be doing shots afterwards. Okay, so right away we'll be doing shorts. So you can see that the price has been verified as point of interest, but the price didn't really close below from the 1 hour time frame. So we'll be using 1 hour time frame. If the price is closed, then I'm thinking that we are likely to go lower. Okay. So if you do really like it, please like and subscribe and follow us. We'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and we'll be doing a lot more about it. So give out your supports, give out your plans, and we'll be also continue joining up. Okay. Okay, so where can we start about it? Okay, let's talk about other things. Let's talk about the cryptocurrency. Okay, why that the cryptocurrency has been going higher? Do you ever wonder about it? Okay, one of the biggest things that you need to know about it is what is cryptocurrency? What people are using it? Okay, cryptocurrency is a really, really powerful thing. There's a lot of things included with it. Okay, but one of the things that most important is risk assets. Okay, from the back of the days, we can see that in 2020, and 2020, okay, cryptocurrency is actually also continue going on the high sides. Okay, in the elections year, you can see that 2020 in November 6th, the price is going high and reaching through a new high. Right now, it's about the same. So why cryptocurrency is going higher? One of the reasons is risk aversions has been going higher, and this will be also boosting on the cryptocurrency sites. And one of the thing is that this is one of the reasons behind of it that cryptocurrency is going higher. Okay, and you can see that the market is going through grabbing this liquidations, and after that, the price has been continue going higher and higher. So nonetheless, we are thinking that the cryptocurrency is going higher. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live streaming, please give us a like, support, so that we'll be continue doing live streaming for you guys and continue doing live streaming. Okay, so like and subscribe, follow us. Okay, like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, later on, I will be passing down to my partner. He also will be giving out your tips and tricks on how to do trading. Okay, not only me also sharing out, I'll be also passing down to my partner, and he will be also sharing to you guys on how to do tradings and so on. Okay, hopefully you do learn something new, and if you do, please like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, if you want to know more about it, go to our bio and we will be having more signals behind of it. Okay, remember, like and subscribe and follow our live streaming sessions. Okay, remember, follow, like, and subscribe. Join us and give out your supports. Okay. Okay, so going back on the gold market, right now the gold market has been closing below, reaching back, going back to the 5 minute charts, reaching back, lower sides. So definitely doing shorts to be honest. And another 5 minutes, I will be probably doing shorts from this, grabbing here and continue putting my stop loss above and getting on the low sides. Okay. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, follow, like, and subscribe. And on our live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, more signals go to our bio sites. Okay. Okay. Right now, I will be passing down to my next partner. His name is Steven. So if you do really like on my analysis part, you definitely also like this one. He also using fundamental and also technical part as well. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, stay tuned, and also hopefully that you are continue to watch on. Okay, because later on there's a lot of trading opportunities. Okay, thank you for you guys. Hopefully you do learn something new, and hopefully you are already like and subscribe and become on our subscriber. Remember our live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and more signal go to our bio. Okay, thank you, and we'll be see you guys tomorrow. Our subscriber, remember our live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and more signal go to our bio. Okay, thank you, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Our subscriber, remember our live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m.
Hello guys, welcome to our live streaming session. So we have another 1 hour and 3 minutes, so our live streaming sessions will be ending in another 1 hour. So stay tuned and let us see what market has offered us for any trading opportunities that might interest us, guys. Okay, so all right, so welcome to our live streaming sessions, guys, and let us see. So for now, we are actually looking at the market has been reacting quite well on the market. And second of all, we are seeing a lot of things happening after the declarations of the victory of the current president. So the former president won back its place onto the White House. And right now, we are actually looking at the possibility what kind of scenarios happening on the market. So I know that most of you guys who are trading Forex definitely would love to see the markets on the Forex sites and definitely on the gold market. So what has been happening since yesterday? So actually, until yesterday, we are still quite bullish on the gold market and everything is still looking well until the announcement of the victory on the presidential elections on the US side. And right now, we are already seeing that gold isn't able to hold up its 2,700 strong support area, guys. So that's one thing that I'm looking very clear on the market right now. So 2,700 hasn't been able to hold on its support, and we have already tried to see and wait how to react on the market since the Asian sessions, guys. Okay, so we have tried to do our best and wait for the best scenario to see whether this uptrend momentum could be continuing just for today. Okay, just for today. And it seems that not a lot of things has been happening, guys. Okay, so since then we are just seeing gold has been quite volatile, and I believe it's the same case as well on the gold side as on the silver side, on the oil side, and I'll be explaining with you guys what really happened. Okay, so maybe with that, I'll be opening on the weekly time frame charts to show you guys whether there's still a possibility that gold prices could still remain higher, guys. Okay, so for now, that you guys could see, I'm opening on this weekly time frame charts. So actually, if you guys are opening up on the weekly time frame charts, actually gold prices are still remained on that strong support. So if you guys can look, I've drawn a lot of support lines. It's a lot, I understand that, guys. And right now we are still looking at the possibility that the next support area for gold could still be rebounding near 2,673 for the next support, which could be our near support that could really support gold's uptrend momentum continuing. And what is the reasons that we are actually looking at the weaknesses on gold tonight? It's mainly due to the fact that we are seeing that the gold market has been weakening due to the reasons that the dollar is quite strong and it's really impacted the overall market, and it seems that there's no other way than gold for it to go down. So right now, our best choice to do is we are trying to do a short, guys, because it seems we have missed quite an opportunity. It has been going lower. So I'll be giving you guys that signal. Let me erase a couple of days signal because we are doing this live streaming sessions daily. Okay, So for now, let us try to do a sell signal on the gold because things has changed since the US elections has over. And let us enter near the current prices, guys. Okay, so we're doing this together. Near to 690 still fine, guys. You could still enter. We will be putting a very tight stop losses as well with you. So stop losses, I'll be putting it above 2700, guys. Okay, since the market is quite volatile, so I'll be putting a very tight stop losses as well, so you guys could still make some profits. Okay, our stop losses at that price. So right now we are focused on selling. Selling pressure remains high. Our first price target could be near around 2685 268. Second target price for tonight would be near, so this is yesterday, so I'll be just moving it away, guys, so you guys wouldn't be getting too confused with a lot of signals. And target price 2678 2680. Target price 3 2673. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's our first signal for tonight. Why I'm sharing the signal without finishing my analysis, because it seems that the market movement has been quite fast, and right now we are currently in a floating profit of around 200 pips right now as we speak. And so it's a good thing. So we are currently in a floating profit by almost 200 pips right now, guys. Okay, so I'll be updating you guys whenever we do move out on the market, guys. Okay, useless thing is asking about what is valid. Okay, so can you re-explain yourself about what is valid? I'm not really understanding what are you asking about. The valid thing, the signal that we are sharing, or yesterday's floating profit? Because the signal for yesterday's profit are still very clear, guys. We are entering at the current prices at 2737 last night, and we do take profit at our third profit target last night, guys. Okay, and if for tonight, it's very clear, guys. When the prices are going through the actions, I've been sharing it live. You guys could still enter the short trade at the current entry prices when I'm sharing, and prices has been keep dropping lower and lower. And right now, we are actually looking at reaching our first profit target, guys. Okay, so we are already profiting, guys. Okay, profiting. So I'm still looking at the possibility that it could be going lower tonight, because it seems after entering the US sessions, it has been going down pretty fast, and I'm looking at the good chances we could be making more money coming out of the market. Okay, so for now we have already made around 400 pips for tonight, so congrats. It's just a short time, but the market movement has been quite volatile after the US election, so it's a normal thing to happen. But since we are trying to make a swing trade, it still could work, especially if you guys look at the price ranges that I'm offering with you guys. Target price is around easily reached. We have already reached our first target price for tonight, and let us see later on. I know that we couldn't be focusing in a lot of trading pairs, especially the price volatility is so much, guys. So it could be the case where if I'm trying to open silver, suddenly the prices started to jump up. So I think for tonight, just for tonight exclusions, because things are very volatile, I'll be making sure that we'll just focus on quite a few pairs. So we are not trying to stretch ourselves, but we try to make sure that we could focus on the things that we could do, guys. Okay. Alright. So what has happened since yesterday? So actually, yesterday market are still digesting which presidents could win the elections race, and it's still unclear, uncertain until today, where the victor has been announced, and it looks like gold prices has been going even drop lower and lower with the announcement that the US elections has been over, it has been declared, and right now it seems that gold are even heading lower and lower, guys. Okay, So that's what currently I'm seeing. Possibility gold prices could be remain weaker for quite some times, and definitely this could be a long trade, guys, because it seems everything are heading towards our directions. It's going down lower and lower. Okay, so what's next on the market, guys? So we do have already made a profit out of our tonight's trade, and we are aiming for our second profit target right now at 2680, guys, our nearest target price. And if you guys love what we have been sharing, our trading signals, we are doing this live. And if you guys are interested to get more trading signals outside of our live streaming sessions, definitely you can check out our home profile, click on that link, and you can find out more information where we are sharing our free trading signals on that channel, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys, if you guys have been profiting from our trades since our early starts of our live streaming sessions, definitely you guys should check out our live streaming, our home profile, click on that link and join our free trading signals channel, so you guys could be more updated with more trading signals outside of live streaming sessions and make money more with us together, guys. Okay, all right, so for now we have already made a floating profit by around 400 pips, and I believe it could be continuing, guys. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. I'll be updating you guys what happened in the market, but it seems right now the market movement has started to stagnate it around 2684, because it has been quite a strong support as well for a couple of, I would say a couple of weeks ago, guys. Okay, so as you guys could see, this has been quite a strong support on this area, so that's why we are started to see gold market movement has started to slow down near these price actions, and we are likely to see if it broke down, then that we are trying to aim for our second profit target for tonight, guys. Okay, but I would love to discuss with you guys what is really the cause of the drop down on gold prices tonight. Okay, so I'll be opening up on the US dollar charts. I know that sometimes when I open up different charts, sometimes you guys are gone, but surprisingly, guys, I'll be looking through closely on gold prices, definitely, guys, so you guys don't need to worry about it. But I still need to explain with you guys what really happened on the market, and that's why I need to move on between different charts so you guys could get the clear understanding coming out of the market, guys. Okay, all right, so let us check on the US dollar index right now. So because that's the main trigger on the whole drop down, sell down on most of the currency pairs around the world: Euro, GBP, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. And the main reasons that we are looking through the market right now is we are looking at the possibility that gold prices could even break up higher compared to its previous downtrend channel on its upper side. So as you guys could see, this is a daily chart, and it seems that this chart US dollar index has been going stronger and stronger. And the reason is the positive outcome coming out from the US presidential election has been the major reasons, and there are no other reasons that has been really affected the market, guys. Okay, and right now if you guys open up clearly on this US dollar index, it seems that this market momentum are still continuing, guys. Okay, so if I open up on the smaller time frame on this 1 hour time frame charts, it seems that US dollar index just jumped literally after the opening market on the Asian sessions, and it just directly jumped through in the first 2 hours of the trading sessions on the Asian side, and it just broke out to higher records. So that's the fair reasons we are actually looking through that the market has been quite strong on the US dollar index, with a positive outcome coming out from the market. Okay, right now we are actually looking through the possibility that this US dollar index could still remain stronger and go higher, and it's a high possibility to do so. And with that reactions coming out from the gold market, it's very normal. US dollar index is very strong and gold market is suddenly going to drop. Why is the reasons for that? Because the current victor of the US presidential election has already stated that they will be trying to make America great again. And with that, we are likely to see that more economic activity, better economic policy that will be supporting the US economy, and likely the uncertainty around the world has started to dissipate, because there will be much more certainty coming out from the new president, as well as they are more likely to see a stronger dollar ahead, because those economic policy will be much more likely to see that the dollar could be going stronger and stronger as a result. So that's one of the very first things that we are looking through. Second is we are actually looking through that with that stronger dollar will be coming off inflations, and that would be likely to stem its rate cut coming out from the Federal Reserves, because they are trying to stem inflations and they are likely to slow down the rate cut on the Fed rate side. And above all of those reasons, we are actually looking through euro dropping down a lot. And if you guys look out on the euro stock market, it started to go stronger when there is a positive outcome, and suddenly it has turned weaker. And actually there's a reasons for that as well, guys. Okay, so actually one of the very reasons that we are looking through the weaknesses coming out from the euro side, from the GBP side, is the victor of the president's economic policy, where there will be advocating for more domestic economic activity, and as a result, euro area GBP couldn't be getting more economic outcome coming out from the victor of the US presidential elections, and as a result, there's a likelihood that the economy will be stagnating. And with this outcome coming out from the US presidential elections, it is likely that the euro and the GBP would be cutting interest rates, because it seems that they have no other way out rather than cutting interest rates, and economic activity looks like they have no way to export their goods and to boost the economic activity outside of their local economy. So that's why we are looking through the weaknesses across all of the euro currency, GBP currencies, and even across all of the European stock indices, guys. Okay, so if you guys would like to see, I know that maybe some of you guys don't really look at those charts, European stock market, but it has been a really important thing after the US presidential has declared its victor. And so maybe right now we could check on some of it, guys. Okay, so just for instance, so that you guys could have an idea about the overall European stock market, it's very clear. You guys could check out stocks 50, the biggest 50 stock on the euro area. And right now I believe it has been quite clear that the market has been going through this major big drop down, guys. Okay, so as you guys could see here right now, that the European stock market opened up the day pretty closely well, going higher, and however on the evening side it started to go lower. And the fair reasons that we are looking for that is the possibility that the economy couldn't be growing well under the new US president. And as a result, we are likely to see that the European economy will be stagnating, will be going slower, and it will be leading to the downfall of the stock prices on the European side. Okay, so that's why sometimes everything has a correlation towards one trading assets to another trading assets, and it's very important to look at it as well, guys. Okay, so just for understanding doesn't mean that you guys need to trade on it. You guys don't need to force yourself, but definitely if you guys stay open-minded and really understand the whole dynamics of the whole market, could be definitely helpful for you guys. Okay, right now let us go back towards our gold charts, see whether anything changes coming out of that side. So just a proof for you guys, we have been sharing a lot of signals, and some of the signals I haven't erased it yet, so oops. Okay, it seems that right now we are very close to our second profit target on the gold chart. It seems the lowest price is 2681, and currently we are already in a floating profit by almost around 750 pips right now, guys. Okay, so congrats, guys. So for whoever who has been joining our live streaming sessions from my sessions, congrats, because we have already made around 750 pips out of our gold trade charts, guys. Okay, because it seems that gold prices are remaining going lower and lower, and it's likely to hit our second profit target in a short period of time, guys. Okay, so if you guys love what we've been sharing, talking about the whole market analysis, definitely you guys could give us your likes, give us a thumbs up, and remember to follow us so that you guys don't miss out on our live streaming sessions. But if you guys think that there's still something lacking from our live streaming sessions and you guys would love to get more information and get more guidance, definitely you guys could check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get more information on that site, and you guys could even get free trading signals on our channel outside of our live streaming sessions, guys. So make sure that you guys also check that out so you guys won't be missing out on golden nugget informations, guys. Okay. So with that, we actually officially has reached our second profit target for tonight. We have reached around 2680. So since our started 2679, so 2690, we enter at lower prices of our entry prices, and we have reached another 1000 pips as well, guys. Okay, so congrats for whoever has been joining our live streaming sessions. We have reached our second profit target at 2679 at its lowest price, and we have made around 1000 pips also for tonight in just a short period of time, just by 15 minutes. So congrats. And if you guys love what we have been sharing, we are doing these live streaming sessions together every day, and we have already reached our second profit target. So it's a shame that for the new ones, the new guys who has just joined us, you have missed it, but no worries. One thing that you can do is you can follow us so that you guys don't miss out whenever we are doing live streaming sessions. Second, if you guys love what we've been sharing, you guys could give us your thumbs up, give us your likes, and share this video with your friends so you guys could be trading together with us, with your friends, with your family, with your relatives, so you guys could make money together with us. Because right now I'm also doing this trade on my phone and everything has been going right on our trade, guys. Okay, so make sure that if you guys don't want to miss out on it, don't forget to do all of those things. And if you think that, okay, I want something outside of our live streaming sessions, you can definitely click on our home profile, click on that link so you guys could check out our free trading signals channel. And if you guys love to get more guidance on our trading style and trading lessons, definitely you can contact us for more information, guys. So just make sure that you guys check out on our link and get more information on that side, guys. Okay, all right. So let us see how it goes later on, because right now it seems 1000 pips is a lot of pips in just matter of 15 minutes. So we have just started to our live streaming sessions on my site over the last 15 minutes. So it's been a good profit for us tonight, and definitely it's a good trade. Maybe right now could be our time to take another shift, another look on the other market side, because other than gold, actually a lot of things has been happening across the trading asset world. So as you guys could have seen, if you guys do pay attention towards the US stock market, definitely it has been a quite well trading side as well, because Dow Jones Industrial Index also reached its all-time high levels. And if you guys don't understand what is all-time high, I will let you know. That means prices break record high across the opening of the Dow Jones Index. So it means that prices are going even higher than the previous years, previous decades, previous century, guys. Okay, so that's one of the things. And also we are looking at the possibility that Nasdaq Composite is also breaking all-time high levels, and also it's the same case for SP 500. So it's a very bullish things coming out from the US stock market because of the declarations of the victory of the new US president, and that could be the case where we are likely to see that the market on the US stock market could be very positive. And I know that maybe some of you guys do invest on the US stock market. Definitely that could be the case where you guys could be much more calmer after the declarations of the new US president and start to build up more positions on it and try to ride on the trend, because it seems that this market could be even going higher and higher on the US stock market. And this could be the case where we're likely to see pressure coming up from the gold side for a couple of days, a couple of weeks. Let us see how it works, because I'm likely to see support area on gold is around 2,673, guys. Okay, all right. So gold prices started to even go down lower and lower, and we are already profiting by around 1,200 pips for tonight. So congrats for whoever has been joining our live streaming session since my site, because we have two traders. I'm Steven, then the earlier trader is Jaden. So we are currently in a floating profit at the most lowest price at around 26,779. So we are making around 1,200 pips out of tonight's trade, and I hope that you guys have been able to make some money out of it. Okay, so if you guys love our live streaming sessions, you guys could definitely give us your thumbs up, give us your likes, and you can share this video with your friends, family, relatives if you guys want to make money trading together with our live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, so thank you very much for your likes, for your support, guys, because I know that some of you guys love what we've been sharing, and I know that some of you guys has been following our trades and make tons of money for tonight, guys. Okay, so I appreciate for your likes, for your support, and definitely thank you for sharing our video, guys, so that you guys could be getting more money out of our trading signals. Okay, but if you guys think what we are sharing is still not enough, you guys want something more, definitely you guys could check out our home profile, click on that link, and you can get our free trading signals on that channel. And if you guys think you guys want to learn how to trade and get more informations, definitely you guys could check out our link, and then you can contact us for more information, guys. Okay, alright, so let us right now maybe take a look at silver prices, because I know silver prices has been quite pressured, and maybe we could be trading out of that as well. Okay, so it seems that silver prices has started to even go lower and lower. It has been almost reaching back towards its lower part of its original uptrend channel, as you guys could see on this side, which means right now we could be also even trading coming out from the silver side. But one thing is for sure right now, guys. Why? Because I've already drawn several support prices on this silver charts, and I'll be making sure that we try not to sell during this support area, and we are trying to find a good entry point, because like the ones that we are doing on the gold side, it's a very clear market indications that after breaking down the support, then we start to do the trade. But right now we have already hit the support twice at $31.42 once and twice. So I'll be much more attention, and I'll be more cautious, because silver trade is quite volatile and it could jump back even higher faster than you guys could think. So I'll be much more pay attention and be a bit more cautious about it before I execute the trade, guys. Okay, okay, what happens next on the market? Let us see what is the good thing coming out of the market. Okay, looks like the market reaction has been quite well on the gold, so I really suggest that you guys took profit when we hit our second profit target, because it seems that price reactions on the gold market has started to gain some support around 2,683, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys have already taken some profit out of it, so you guys could save those profits and definitely go on to see how the market works. So you guys could definitely do two things. You guys could take hold of your profits, or you guys could take some half of positions and keep holding half of it, reaching our third profit target, the big swing at 2673, guys. Okay, so that's what you could do, and that's my suggestions for you guys. Okay, so what's next on the market? Let us check on the stock market. Why I'm checking the stock market? Because I think it's a very critical point of time right now for us to check with it, guys, because right now we are looking at very positive indications coming out of the market, showing that prices are reaching all-time high levels, and this could be our good chance to start building up positions on the US stock market. Okay, so right now if you guys do pay attention closely right now on our site, it has been quite a good day to trade on the US stock market as well. So I think I even initiated the buy positions here, as you guys could have seen a couple of weeks ago, around 11th of October. Right now we are in 6th of October, guys. Okay, let me open on the daily time frame charts, but it seems that this market is not yet active, so I'll be trying to check on the SP 500, which has been usually active as well. Alright, so what has been happening on the US stock market? So initially I've started to see the possibility it has been started to weakening on the US stock market because there's a lot of uncertainty on the US elections. But right now, after the clarity coming out of the market, it seems that the global stock market has started to rise together alongside with the US stock market as the main focus right now. And it seems that these weaknesses hasn't been able to go well because a lot of certainty has started to appear coming out from the new US president, and we are likely to see that this uptrend momentum could be continued on our side, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm currently seeing on the market. So we are back towards its original uptrend line on this US stock market, and buy now. Yes, you could definitely buy now, but you always need to pay attention, guys, because we could be getting too much actions in one day. And I always worried about this, guys, because if you are getting too much action in just one day, there's a possibility it could be dropping back lower and you'll be losing all of your profits, guys. So I will be making sure that if you guys want to enter, try to find a good risk setup rather than rushing and making the trades and ended up losing all of the potential profit that you could make, or even your hard-earned capital, guys. Okay, so maybe if you guys want to trade on it, definitely that's a good thing. I'm still very bullish, but remember, guys, because if sometimes the market started to slow down, we can try to shift our momentum. Okay, so right now what we are seeing on the market, that the US stock market has returned back to its original uptrend line. So that's a very good sign coming out of the market. And right now it seems there's nothing to block the market movement on this US stock market SP 500. And actually, I'm looking through a very positive market signs. Okay, so let me draw it for you guys so you guys can have a clearer view of it. Trend line. So I'm seeing this possibility forming on this chart, and I'm seeing a potential bull flag happening on this 1 hour time frame chart, guys. Okay, so this bull flag scenario forming up. So there's a potential that the US stock market SP 500 could be consolidating at these price actions, and then we are likely to see that SP 500 could be reaching towards 6,080 at the closing prices after this huge rally, guys. Okay, so I'm looking at this potential price target 6,080 for SP 500, and right now we are in very good, and we could be trading on this side, guys, because this is a bull flag pattern that I'm looking through. It has been building up very well, and I believe that this pattern is not only existed on the SP 500, I believe it's the case on Nasdaq, it's also the case on Dow Jones 30, and definitely we could be trading on this side. So if you guys want some advice, definitely I could be giving you guys that buy positions and try to buy SP 500, guys. Definitely you could be entering at lower prices. If you guys could get the prices better, I would be happy, because the lower the better, guys. It's always the case. But if you guys couldn't enter at those prices, definitely you guys could be entering a bit higher and put your stop losses just below that entry prices at 5,885, guys, for safety. And you could be profiting at a target price of around, let's say you try to aim for the shortest price target at 535, 5940, second price target. Since it's an all-time high record, I'll be trying to aim for the rounded numbers as usual, 65 to 5975, target price 3. It's a bit far-fetched, but it's still possible at around 6,000 to 6,050, guys. That's the ultimate price target on this SP 500, guys. So I'm still pretty much bullish because we are breaking all-time high levels, guys. So that's a very clear market signals. Second, if you guys see right now, okay, it's a bit risky. You are looking through that the market has been going through up so much, so high. Definitely you can stay down, calm down, try to wait for the market reactions, and if the market reaction hasn't been well, don't enter the trade, guys. Simple as that. But if you guys insist on entering the trade, Make sure that you guys feel comfortable doing that trade, and make sure that you guys open the trades at a comfortable size of your positions. Don't over trade, don't overexpose yourself in just one single trade, guys. Okay. Alright, so if I open up on the daily time frame, it's very clear it's been going through all-time high levels, and we are likely to see it hit 6,080 at the next few weeks and next few months. So I'll be writing to tell you guys this information. SP 500 breaks all-time high. Bullish mode on US stock. Okay, so it's very clear I'm pretty bullish on the US stock market right now, after going through some period before then, and right now we could be proudly stated that this could be our bullish mode coming out from the US stock market. Alright, so that will be it for the US stock market. But right now, let us go back towards our gold trade, see what has been happening since just now. Alright, fantastic thing has been happening. We have even reached our third profit target for tonight, guys. Congrats, because it has been quite a quick trade for us tonight, guys. TP3, wow, fantastic, guys. So TP3 has been executed and we earn around 2,000 pips for tonight. So congrats for everyone. It's been a quite easy night for our trade tonight, guys. Okay, we have TP'd on our trade, but definitely you guys could still hold on the trades, and I'm still holding the trades because I'm sharing this target price, because I know that some of you guys are trying to swing your trades, and definitely this is the case where you could still be holding the trades. If you guys are swing trader, if you guys are position trader like me, you can definitely suggest and consider the possibility of holding the trades, because right now I haven't TP'd yet, but I'm sure that the market movement could be quite big and I'll be setting as trailing stop losses. So if you guys want to trade on a bigger time frame, definitely you guys could switch your stop losses to lower prices. I'll be setting up my stop losses after this trade, since I'm still holding the trade at around 2,680. So whenever prices started to go higher than that, I've already secured my profit at our second profit target, guys. Okay, so if you guys are still holding the trade, you guys could readjust your stop losses at the profit right now, guys. Okay, so this is already not a stop losses, but it is a profit taker right now, guys. Okay, so right now we already made the profit, 2,000 profits, 2,000 pips. So congrats. I'm still holding the trade. It has been going even lower and lower. And one thing I could suggest, that if you guys are a swing trader, you could be still holding on the trades. There's nothing wrong with it, because I'm also still holding on my trades, just readjusting my stop losses at 2,675, guys. Okay, so if anything drops even faster, then I will be secured my positions at 2,675. But if prices keeps dropping down even lower for position trading, then I'm still getting a good positions as well. Alright, so what happens next on the market? So it seems that not only gold prices are dropping down, silver prices is also dropping down, oil prices is also dropping down. So I'll be checking out with you in a moment with you together, guys, on the silver prices, if you guys are interested, or oil prices. So what has been happening on the oil prices, let us check it out, guys. So it seems that oil prices are even dropping down lower and lower. And last night, I do recommended a buy signal on this oil trade, and it has been wonderfully executed our trade and hitting our third profit target last night at $73. So we are making around $1.50 on the oil trade, and everything has been quite well. So one thing has started to change on the market, because we have already seen the clear possibility of the victor coming out from the US president, And right now we are looking at the possibility that oil prices could be remain depressed. And why is that the case, guys? Because the US president that is currently seen as the likely victor coming out from these presidential elections are seeing that during his reign, oil prices are remain lower. And we are likely to see that happening also on this new president. So that's why I'm still pretty much started to shift my view, because on the last few days on our oil market, we have already started to do several buy signals. As you guys could pay attention, we have already made quite profit out of our oil trades for a couple of days. But the most important thing right now, I'm still looking through the market, is, so you guys could see we have been sharing a lot of signals for quite some times. So I'll be just opening up the bigger time frame charts, that we are still looking through at this downtrend momentum happening on the oil trade, guys. Okay, so that's one of the reasons that I'm still looking at the possibility that this downtrend momentum could start its accelerations before we are looking through at just a big swing up and down towards this gold mark on the oil market, silver market. But right now it seems that we could be started to see some good market reactions coming out of it. And why is that the case, guys? Because right now we are seeing the possibility that this oil market could start its accelerated downtrend together alongside with gold, together alongside with silver. But we'll see how the market works, because there's still a lot of uncertainty, and we are likely to see more market updates coming out soon, guys. Okay, so what happens next on this oil market? So right now I'm back into that bearish mode. Because why? Okay, let me just erase some of the drawing that I've done before, because it has been quite a lot, guys. Okay, and we have definitely made a lot of profit out of our trading signals, guys. As you guys could see, we are reaching a lot of profit target across times, but I think it's too much, so maybe I'll be just erasing some of it. But one thing is for sure, guys, right now we are still seeing that the oil market are falling lower. That's one thing, guys. Okay, oil market are still trending lower together with the original downtrend momentum. As you guys could see, oil prices have started to go down lower and lower. So that's what I'm currently seeing on this oil market as well. We are looking through the possibility that this downtrend momentum could start its phases, guys. Okay, and right now our best positions to do should be shorting the oil market. Why is that the case, guys? Because I've already seen that oil market has been going through this big downtrend formations for quite some time, guys. So that's one of the very first things. If you guys open up the bigger time frame that you guys could see, oil has been quite on a big downtrend momentum. Second of all, we have started to see a potential catalyst for oil prices to go down even lower, and right now the new president could be the case for it, guys. Okay, and if you guys pay attention closely, right now we are started to see that this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we are likely to see oil prices could be even reaching around $67, $68 pretty much soon, guys, because right now we are seeing this potential that oil prices could be even weaker together with the continuations of the uptrend momentum coming up from the US dollar index, guys. Okay, so as you guys could see for quite some times, and we are likely to trade on it, guys. Okay, okay, so what can we do out of this trade? Definitely, one of the very first thing, you guys could be bullish on US dollar right now, and try to trade any pairs that is against US dollar. So Euro USD could be one of the very good choices right now that you guys could be trading against. It has been dropping down a lot, Euro USD. And I believe that I've been sharing a lot of sell signals on the Euro side for a couple of times, guys. Okay, you sell, and even on this upper side, I've already recommended a lot of sell signals. So if you guys open on the daily time frame, I'm sure that you guys could see that the overall trend coming up from this market is going down lower, and I've already expected that to happen. But as I've said, guys, sometimes you could have your own view, but if the market opportunities are telling you to buy, I'm doing a buy. But suddenly right now the market trend is very clear, the market is going down lower and lower, and it seems that the only way for right now for euro currency, for the other currency pair as well, it's likely to go even lower. So you guys could see we have made a lot of trading profits coming up from the euro side, and I think it has been quite a lot, so I'll be just readjusting it. But you guys get what I mean, guys. Okay, so we are even trading on the ECB rate cut decisions on sometimes on the last 2 weeks, I believe. And right now, if you guys pay attention closely, that we are going through this major downtrend formations on the Euro USD, and I believe that could be the case where this could be the catalyst where we are likely to see the weaknesses coming up from the Euro currency, from the GBP currency as well, guys. Okay, so it's not only just on the Euro currency. We are likely to see that the Euro currency, GBP currency could start its weakening process. And from this market momentum that we are looking through the market, we are seeing that the GBP could be heading lower and lower, hitting back toward its $1.28 per GBP. Okay, so I'm seeing that possibility happening, and it's been quite a huge market movement coming up from the GBP side, and it could be continuing this drop down, guys. Okay, so that's a huge possibility happening. But I know that most of you guys love to trade on the gold market. Oops. So it seems that gold market started to even go lower than lower based on our sell signal. So we are currently already hitting our profit target, and we could be even getting 3,000 pips tonight, guys, from our trade. So we have been selling it, and we are likely to see market going down on the gold side, silver side. Maybe we can try to start seeing silver trades as well, guys, because it seems that gold prices started to even go lower and lower, reaching the lowest price at 2,659. So it has been breaking down lower than the price target that we have already set, and I'm still holding the trades, guys. So I've already recommended that you guys could do the same, and I right now could readjust you guys. If you're still holding the trade, you guys could definitely set your stop losses at the new stop losses at 2,670. So you have already locked in your profit by around $20 on your gold trade, and we'll see if the prices keep dropping down. I'll be readjusting my profit taker, and we'll be entering massive profit coming out of it, guys. Okay, for now it seems that gold prices could be dropping down even lower. Maybe we can try to do a trade on the silver side, guys. Okay, so what has been the case on this silver trade? So maybe I'll be just giving you guys a bigger overview of what really happened on the silver. So silver price action has been quite, I would say, quite tricky. Why I would say tricky, guys? Because actually silver prices managed to break out of 10-year high on these price actions on 21st of October. But after scenes, we are actually looking at the potential topping phases at here, as I've already drawn out here. And right now we have already gotten that confirmations that silver prices are remaining going lower after the new US president has been announced as the victor. And right now we are likely to see that silver prices could even remain weaker, reaching its lowest price target back at $30.80, which is very near, and it could be likely soon, guys. Okay, so with that, I could say for sure that this formations of this inverted head and shoulder has been failed. That's one thing I could say for sure, guys. Second, if you guys open on this small time frame, and if you guys still look at this daily time frame, it's very clear that the market has started to go lower. So maybe right now could be a good time for us to start building up on that new downtrend momentum. I would say it has been dropping down quite fast and accelerations phases. So that means it's never a good thing for those silver prices, especially if you guys are on the wrong side of the trade. You guys could be hurt deeply on this trade, guys. Okay. So if you guys look right now on the charts, it has been dropping down lower, and we got the confirmations here, but just now we are still focusing on our gold trade, and we haven't been able to make that sell signal on our silver trade. So the topping phases are here, we have already gone through it, and right now we are likely to see that silver prices could be going down lower. So what that means on the market, it seems that $31 could be one of the great support, because it seems that after reaching $31, it started to slow down on its market momentum. So as you guys could see, it has started to rebound. It has been quite an important support area as well for silver prices for quite some weeks before. Maybe right now we could stand up, stay back, try to see how the market works, and we'll see how it goes, guys. Okay, for now it seems that market reactions are heading even lower for now. It remains pressured, definitely, that's the case where I'm seeing, but we'll see how it goes, guys, because right now silver prices started to even rebound by a bit, so I'll be paying attention towards it and not get too excited about the potential drop down, and maybe we can start to wait and see how the market reacts on it, because there could be a possibility where we could be making a buy signal on the short term, but on the long run I'm still seeing good signs that the market should be heading even lower for now, with the selling pressure remains high, and I'm likely to see that continuing as well together. So let us see, guys. Okay, for now, maybe right now the best thing that we could have done, wait out and see how the market reacts, because it seems that the market momentum has started to slow down on the downside, and we could be probably getting some good signs that the market could be heading higher. Okay, about the volatility, that's one thing I could say with you guys. Okay, so what's next on the market, guys? Okay, seems everything has still been on track with our view, and let us see, guys. Okay, nothing much has changed. All right. Pressure still remains there, guys. I could say for sure on that market. And let us see how it works, guys. Okay. For now, gold pressure remains a bit higher if you guys compare with silver right now. That's what I'm looking through the market. And maybe we could start initiating some positions on European stock market, guys. Okay. All right. So gold prices are still remain in pressure, and we are likely to see that this offer us some rebound positions on the gold market. So if you guys haven't taken profit, you guys definitely could have been taking profit right now, because pressure has started to appear on this market, and we are likely to see how the trade works on its own. Because we have already reached a critical point of support as well on the market. That's what I can say for sure with you guys. That's why I'm more likely to stay back, see how the market works, and look for another trading opportunity elsewhere, because this could be our time to do that kind of trade. Okay, I'm started to see US dollar index weakening. That could be the signs, guys. I'm sure that could be one of the signs I could be seeing. Okay, let us check. Is that the case? Yes, that's true. We are seeing weaknesses appearing on the US dollar index, and that really helped to push down prices again, guys. Okay, so if you guys are trading against it, it seems that market momentum has started to slow down. That's the case. Okay, so with that, I'm likely to see more rebounds coming up from the gold side right now, because it has been quite rebounding from its low at 2659, and right now it's 2666. So that could be our case where we could be started to see some rebounds on our trades, guys. Okay. What else on the market? Why the life is stuck? Okay, wait for a moment, guys. We'll check it out. What happened on the market? But I believe that you guys, if you could still hear me, I will be updating you guys. But one thing is for sure, price pressure remains high on gold prices, and if you guys are still trading on the gold side, you could be seeing the potential that gold prices could still remain weaker. That's one thing for sure, guys. Second is we are likely to see pressure also remains on the silver prices as well, hitting lower and lower. But it seems that we are already hitting our support at 266, and it seems prices could be even remaining, giving a little bit of support on the prices, guys. Okay, so I'm started to see some signs of support rebounding, especially on the oil side. So maybe if you guys are started to, maybe if you guys have already put a buy positions on oil, could be a good thing for now, because it starts to show some rebound signs. What else? Let us check together. Okay, so what else? Let us see in the market, guys. Okay, it seems that there's an error on the site, and it seems that The reaction has been quite well. Useless thing. Okay. Okay. So if you guys love what we've been sharing, and unfortunately we have already entered our live ending stream sessions done, and I believe that we have already made a huge profit tonight together with us. So I'm happy that you guys could have been making some money. And if you guys love what we've been sharing with you guys, you could check out our home profile, click on that link, and join our free training channels. And if you guys love what we've been sharing, you guys could click on the like button, share this video with friends, so you guys could be making money together. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.